Hey everyone, hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start the most important topic of chapter number 2, that is fundamentals of partnership, and our topic is past adjustments after closing the books. See students, what happens here, after preparing our accounts of partnership or at the time of making financial statement, some errors are to be noticed regarding interest on capital or interest on drawings charged at higher or lower rate, or interest on capital, salary, commission omitted to be recorded. So these kind of errors are to be noticed. Now what we have to do, we need to correct these errors by passing an adjustment entry. So how to pass that adjustment entry? For that you need to understand and you need to learn an analytical table, because this table will help you to find out that adjustment entry very easily, right? So see how to make this analytical table. So you need to make these columns, first particulars, then जितने भी partners are, like suppose there are two partners A and B, so A, there will be two sub columns under A, debit and credit, then again B, debit, credit, and again firms, debit, credit. Why I have written partners and firm? Because you all know that the benefits of firm, जो benefit होगा firm का, that will be an expense to the partners, और जो partners के लिए expense होगा, that will be the benefit from the firm. For example, interest on capital. Now interest on capital is to be paid by the firm to the partner. So this is the benefit for the partners, लेकिन this is the expense for the firm because firm is paying. On the other hand, now interest on drawings is the income for the firm, so this will be benefit for the firm, but because partners need to pay that interest on drawing, so this is an expense for the partners, right? So what we need to do now, I have taken a very small example in order to understand this in a more clear way. After that, I'll tell you the steps that you need to follow in order to make this analytical table, right? So let's read this example. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses equally. So two partners are there, A and B, and their profit sharing ratio is 1:1, equal, right? Their capitals were 1 lakh and 50,000 respectively. A's capital is 1 lakh, B's capital is 50,000. Now interest is to be charged 10% per annum. So it is written in the deed that they are entitled to receive 10% per annum interest. It means on 1 lakh we need to calculate interest, that is 10%, so it will equal to 10,000 rupees, and on 50,000 it will equal to 5,000 rupees. Now profits, now this is the most important thing जिससे आपको पता चलेगा कि question में आपको करना क्या है. What you need to do in the question. Profits were distributed without providing interest on capital I or C. So mistake क्या हुई है कि the firm has distributed the profit without considering or without giving interest on capital to the partners. Now what we need to do, अब correct करना पड़ेगा. इसके लिए सबसे पहले, अब हमारी mistake क्या है, तो सबसे पहले you need to find out the mistake. What is the mistake? We just forgot to record interest on capital in the books. Now in the particular column you need to write interest on capital. So now what is the amount? देखो interest on capital is benefit for partner. So if it is a benefit, it will be recorded in the credit column. If it is an expense or loss, it will be recorded in the debit column. Same for other partner as well as firm. Now interest on capital is benefit for the partner. What is the amount? 1 lakh into 10%, that is 10,000. So because 10,000 is the benefit for A, so it will be recorded in the credit column. Now again 50,000 into 10%, that is 5,000. So first step is you need to find out the mistake. Next step is to calculate the amount of interest on capital, and it is to be transferred to A's debit or credit column and B's credit and debit column. This is the second step. Now the third step is we need to make the total of this, जितना A और B का total benefit है, that is 15,000. Now A और B का total benefit is लॉस फॉर द फर्म दैट इज 15,000, तो टोटल 15,000, यानी कि जितना भी आप लोगों ने इंटरेस्ट दिया है, सपोज एक और पार्टनर है सी जिसको 5 दिया है, तो यहाँ पे 20 आ जाता, राइट? तो टोटल इनका जो क्रेडिट बैलेंस है दैट विल इक्वल टू द डेबिट ऑफ बी. इज दैट फाइन? इज दैट ओके? सो व्हाट इज द थर्ड स्टेप? आपने टोटल करना है फॉर्म को. नाउ बेटा द फोर्थ स्टेप इज टू बैलेंस फॉर्म. हाउ यू विल बैलेंस इट? अगर आपने डेबिट पे 15,000 लिखा है तो इस साइड भी आप लोग क्या करेंगे? 15,000. What is the first step? To find out the error. What is the second step? To distribute interest on capital. What is the third step? You have to transfer the total balance in the firm. What is the fourth step? You need to balance firms, right? Debit and credit columns. Now it is balanced. हम लोग का डेबिट बैलेंस आया था तो हम लोगों ने क्रेडिट में लिख के इसको बैलेंस कर दिया. नाउ व्हाट इज द फिफ्थ स्टेप? नाउ दिस अगर फॉर्म का क्रेडिट बैलेंस है, इफ इट इज बेनिफिट फॉर फॉर्म, सो इट विल बी एन एक्सपेंस और लॉस फॉर द पार्टनर्स. तो आपको क्या करना बेटा? इस 15,000 को आपको प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो में पार्टनर्स को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देना है. नाउ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ profit. Now it is 15,000. So 15,000 is to 1:1, 7,500, 7,500. So 7,500 will be transferred in the debit of A and in the debit of B. Now what is the last step? Now we have just balanced firm. Now it is the time to balance our partners column. So what is the balance here? So देखो इसका डेबिट 75 है, क्रेडिट इज 10,000. दैट व्हाट इज द बैलेंस? 25. बेटा जो कॉलम ज्यादा होगा उसी के नीचे यानी कि 2500 यहाँ पे क्रेडिट में आएगा. सो विच द टोटल ऑफ विच कॉलम विल बी ग्रेटर, सो यू नीड टू राइट दैट अमाउंट. मतलब उसी कॉलम में आपको वो बैलेंस को लिखना है. इज दैट ओके? नाउ लेट्स बैलेंस बी. इसके 5,000 रुपीज है, यहाँ पे 7,500 है. तो व्हाट इज द बैलेंस हियर? 2500. कौन सी साइड में ज्यादा है? 75. तो यू विल राइट 2500 ऑन द डेबिट. सो दिस इज आवर एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री. नाउ हु इज बीइंग डेबिटेड? बी, बिकॉज बी का डेबिट बैलेंस ज्यादा है. सो द एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री विल बी बीज अकाउंट डेबिट टू एज अकाउंट विद रुपीज 2500 and 2500. So this is your adjustment entry. So this is how we need to consider all the mistakes. Then we have to transfer it to the partners. Then we need to transfer the whole balance. If it is transferred in the credit of partners, then it will be transferred to the debit of the firm. Then after balancing the firm, we need to transfer that profit in equal profit sharing ratio. Whatever the ratio is given in the question, so it will be distributed according to that. After this, we need to balance our partners column. So whatever the balance we will get, that will become our adjustment entry that I have already written here. So this is how a very simple and important topic is this. Now you can try all the questions related to the same topic and please send me your queries. Thank you so much.